Sometimes, life feels too heavy to carry. Everything goes wrong. Nothing makes sense. And the dreams you once believed in feel so far away. But listen to me carefully, this is not the end. Not of your hope. Not of your journey. And certainly, not of your strength. You are not alone. And you are not finished. Life is made of seasons. Summer never stays. Winter never lasts forever. And pain, no matter how strong, is temporary. These hard days, they are not your enemies. They are shaping you, testing you, strengthening you. Every successful person you admire has walked through failure, rejection, and darkness. They were not immune. They were just resilient. So don't ask, why me? Ask, what is this teaching me? The nights you cry, the mornings you struggle to rise, the failures that keep repeating, they are carving out the strongest version of you. Stay patient. Stay present. Good days are not gone, they are being prepared. Disappointment can destroy you, if you let it. It whispers that you're not good enough, that you've failed too much, that it's time to give up. But disappointment is not truth, it's fear in disguise. The real danger is not failing. The danger is sitting still, doing nothing, becoming numb. The longer you stay in that space, the further you drift from your purpose. So fight back. Stand up again, even if your legs shake. Take the first small step, even if it feels useless. Because even a slow walk is better than standing still in despair. You don't need motivation. You need movement. Every great comeback begins with a decision. I won't stay down. Start small. Wake up earlier. Write down your goals. Say no to things that drain you. Say yes to what grows you. Even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. Progress is built on discipline, not emotion. And action, no matter how small, always beats waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. There is only now. Think of the people you admire most. The ones who inspire the world. They weren't born lucky. They failed. They struggled. They were laughed at, doubted, and rejected. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times before someone believed in Harry Potter. Oprah was told she wasn't fit for television. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before the light bulb worked. They didn't stop. They didn't let failure define them. And guess what? You don't have to either. You are not your mistakes. You are not your past. You are who you choose to become, starting today. Real strength isn't built when life is easy. It's built when you keep showing up, even when you're tired. When you smile, even when you feel broken. When you help others, even while you're healing. Inner strength is saying, I'm not okay, but I won't give up. Start journaling your thoughts. Take care of your body. Learn a new skill. Talk to someone who lifts you up. Cut off what drains your soul. Every act of self-respect rebuilds your inner power. You are stronger than you think. You've survived 100% of your hardest days. And you're still here. That's not weakness. That's a warrior. So here's the truth. Life will hurt sometimes. It will test you. It will knock you down. But don't you dare stay down. Don't you dare settle for less than who you're meant to be. Because the pain you feel today is building the strength you'll need tomorrow. Get up. Fight back. And walk forward with faith, even if the path isn't clear. Your story isn't over. Your future isn't finished. And your best days are still ahead. Tough times don't last. But tough people, they do. So rise. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such videos.